So there is a one more property is there after elasticity, that is
Trial
your
version.
surface tension.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
So elasticity, we got it.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
So next part, write down
Trial version.
surface tension. So
Trial
next,
version.
write down surface tension. Now I'll
Trial
give you the
version.
certain applications of your
Trial
surface
version.
tension. Then I'll tell
Trial
you
version.
the fact. You
Trial
take
version.
a camphor of irregular shape and put it in water. You'll see the camphor start
Trial
dancing.
version.
You you pour one drop of
Trial
oil
version.
on water. What happens? Oil spreads on water, isn't it?
Trial version.
You take some quantity of mercury, pour,
Trial
just
version.
drop it. You will see they form the small globules. Actually,
Yes, sir. আমি এটা
Trial version.
একটা দেখেছিলাম ইন্টারনেটে, লাইক
yes. So they
Trial
form the
version.
small globe surface tension.
স্যার আপনার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছি না আমি।
Trial version.
Can you hear me? Can you
Trial
hear
version.
me? The rest?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Trial version.
So that forms a small globules. Then you have seen it.
Trial
That
version.
means your water weights the
Trial
glass,
version.
but the mercury does not weight. You take a broom,
Trial version.
okay, put it in water. Yes,
Trial
স্যার রিপিট
version.
করবেন কি বলছেন?
yes, I'm telling you, the water weights glass,
Trial version.
but mercury does not weight, isn't it? You
Trial
take a
version.
broom, put it inside water, and then take it out. You'll see
Trial version.
the broomsticks, they stuck together.
Trial version.
Then another one, after
Trial
having
version.
bath, you use towel to soak water, isn't it?
Trial version.
Isn't it? Or you use the napkins
Trial
to
version.
soak water or the oil. So basically these are all
Trial
the
version.
applications of there is a property of a liquid which we
Trial
call it
version.
as surface tension. So first write down
Trial version.
surface tension. The
Trial version.
property by virtue
Trial version.
of which
Trial version.
the free surface of a liquid
Trial
The
version.
property by virtue of which the free surface of a liquid
Trial version. Trial version.
behaves like a
Trial version.
stretched membrane
Trial version.
is called
Trial version.
surface tension.
Trial version. Trial version.
Then next, I don't know. This is the property, you got it.
Trial version.
But you have to measure it like modulus of elasticity. The elasticity, how it was
Trial
measured by
version.
the value of modulus of elasticity. The same way you have to measure
Trial
it.
version.
Write down. It is measured by
Trial version.
it is measured by
Trial version.
force per
Trial
unit length
Trial version.
force per unit length
Trial version.
acting
Trial version.
on the tangential
Trial version.
plane to the surface. It is
Trial
measured
version.
by the force per unit length acting on the tangential
version.
plane to the surface. Now then I am showing you the
Trial
expression.
Trial
Very
version.
simple concept. You will observe that you put a
Trial version.
light needle on water. The needle floats.
Trial version.
You'll observe that you place a light needle on water, the needle floats.
Trial
So how
version.
it is being measured? You have liquid, you put the needle.
Trial version.
So this free surface of the liquid
ভয়েসটা
is,
একটু ব্রেক করছে স্যার, প্লিজ ক্যান ইউ
Trial
রিপিট?
version.
একটু
I'm telling you, this is your free surface of the liquid.
Trial
Now
version.
you put a needle, thin needle, you put it, you see needle will float,
Trial version.
but needle will sink. That means this free
Trial version.
surface of the liquid is behaving like a stretched membrane.
Trial
Okay,
version.
like a rubber membrane, behaving like a stretched membrane. So a force is being experienced
version.
on the needle. Which direction, sir? Along the tangential plane, sir.
Trial version.
Along the tangential plane. Okay, the
Trial
force
version.
is acting along the tangential plane. So what is the surface tension is measured
Trial
by
version.
E equals to, okay, force per unit length, F by
Trial
L.
version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial
Is it
version.
okay? So force per
Trial
unit
version.
length exerted in the tangential plane to the surface. So this is
Trial
the
version.
measurement of the surface tension. So total force will be what? That means surface tension into the
Trial
length.
version.
So what is the unit? Dyne per centimeter or Newton per meter,
Trial
sir.
version.
All right. Now, what is the cause for that?
Trial version.
You have a liquid in a container.
Trial version.
Okay.
Trial version.
Do you
Trial
know a
version.
term called sphere of influence? Have you ever heard
Trial
the name of
version.
sphere of influence?
নো স্যার।
No. Any
Trial
idea from
version.
anyone?
আই থিঙ্ক আই হ্যাভ হার্ড একটা এক্সটার্নাল এরিয়া,
Trial version.
এক্সটার্নাল এরিয়া যেটা ম্যাক্সিমাম কম্প্রেসড হতে পারে।
No.
Trial
Like inside
version.
a bubble,
Suppose-
at a bubble or external. Okay, sir.
So suppose you have a molecule
Trial version.
over here. Okay, you have a molecule over here.
Trial version.
Now this molecule is surrounded by the other molecule.
Trial version.
Yes or no? Inside the liquid. So
আরেকটা
this
guess করতে পারি, স্যার?
Trial version.
It's a sphere of
বলছি।
influence, that is sphere with the radius twice of the atomic molecular radius.
Trial version.
I'm coming. So this sphere,
Trial
the
version.
molecule is being experienced by a force all along surround it,
Trial version.
but the force experience on these
Trial
molecules or by this molecule is expected up to a certain distance,
Trial version.
up to a certain distance.
Trial version.
A molecule cannot experience a
Trial version.
force up to any distance. So up to a certain distance, it will experience a force.
Trial version.
So basically what shape it is, if I take a molecule at the center,
Trial version.
so around this, there is a region in which
Trial version.
the molecules will be experienced a force
Trial version.
by this molecule. So basically it will be what type of shape?
Trial version.
Inside the liquid, what type of shape it will form?
Trial version.
Can you visualize it?
Sphere.
Sphere. That
Yeah.
is called sphere
Trial
of
version.
influence. And that distance is called molecular range. The radius is called
Trial version.
molecular range. Okay? Got it? So detailed is not given, but I'm
Trial
telling you
version.
the molecular range. That means if any molecule comes within that molecular
Trial version.
range, it will experience a force. So suppose
Trial version.
a molecule is at the bottom.
Trial
Now this
version.
molecule is experience a force all around.
Trial version.
Yes or no? So what is the net force is acting on this
Trial
molecule, sir?
Trial version.
What is the net force is acting on this
Zero.
molecule? That means
Zero.
zero. That means it is
Trial
not
version.
doing any work on moving it. Now, you imagine
Trial version.
a width on the top which is equal to the molecular
Trial
range
version.
R. So whenever a molecule is
Trial
moving
version.
up to this molecule at the bottom surface,
Trial version.
what is the sphere of influence, sir? It will touch the
Trial
upper
version.
surface. Am I right?
Trial version.
Clear it? Any problem? A molecule in
version.
this portion is what will be the sphere of influence. It will touch this like this.
Trial version.
Yes, sir.
That means the
version.
number of molecules in upper half is same as number of molecules in the lower half.
Trial version.
So on taking a molecule from here to here, is there
Trial
any
version.
work?
Trial
Is there
version.
any work?
No, sir.
No, because there is no net force is acting on the molecule.
Trial version.
Yes or no? The number of molecules in the upper half is same as number
Trial
of molecules in the lower half. But you imagine a molecule is over here or within this.
Trial version.
So its sphere of influence goes where?
Trial version.
Like this. Am I right? So
Trial
the
version.
number of molecules in the lower half is more.
Trial
So
version.
whenever a molecule is taking from here to here, it needs to
version.
do the work against this force. Yes or
Trial
no?
version.
স্যার এইটা একবার বলবেন?
I am telling you, when a molecule is over here, there is no
Trial
net
version.
force acting because number of molecules in the upper half is equal to number of molecules in the lower half because flare of
Trial
influence is
version.
touching the tops with. But a molecule is within this
Trial
region.
version.
within this space. So
Yes,
whenever
sir.
this molecule is within this space, when it's going on the
Trial
top
version.
surface, the free surface, then what happens? The number of molecules in the lower
Trial
half
version.
is more than the number of molecules in the upper half.
Now net force is not zero.
Now net
Trial
force is
version.
not zero. So whenever a molecule is moving from here to here, it has to do a work.
Trial version.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Trial
that
version.
work will be stored as what?
Surface energy. Energy of the
Trial version.
surface.
Surface energy, energy at the surface, and this is called surface energy. And
Trial
any
version.
surface having a tendency to get the minimum potential energy state. Okay,
Trial
so what
version.
will be the source? So as a result, it will behave like a spherical shape, the stretched
Trial
membrane.
version.
That's why, because to get the minimum surface energy, that is the property.
Trial version.
Always to get the minimum surface energy. What is the ground state of energy of hydrogen atom? Minus 13.6
Trial version.
electron volt, the minimum. Okay, so try to get the minimum surface
Trial version.
energy. So if it's try to get the minimum surface energy, then surface area for a given volume has to be
Trial
minimum.
version.
And for a given volume, among all the geometrical shapes, the spherical
Trial
shape
version.
having the lowest surface area. So that's why it behaves like a stretched membrane.
Trial version.
Okay, because it tends to bend to get the spherical shape,
Trial version.
and this property is called the surface tension. Now what is the
Trial
surface
version.
energy actually? Then energy or work done will be your then
Trial version.
T into dA,
Trial version.
surface tension into change in area,
Trial
sir.
version.
So T into dA is the
Trial
surface
version.
energy or work done. Now if it says water molecules,
Trial
it has
version.
only one free surface, that is T into dA. But if suppose there are soap
Trial
bubbles,
version.
how many surfaces, free surfaces are there in soap bubble?
Trial version.
In soap bubble, how many free? Two free
Trial
surfaces.
version.
That time it will be your 2T into dA. Remember it. Write down for soap
Trial
bubble,
version.
there are two free surfaces. So it will be your 2T into dA.
Trial version.
All right.
Trial version. Trial version.
Sir, which one?
For soap bubble, most of the sum comes in
Trial
soap bubble
version.
only.
Trial version.
Next, there is a very important term called angle of contact.
Trial version.
Angle of contact.
Trial version.
Like when
Trial version.
a solid is deep into liquid, a solid is deep into liquid.
Trial version.
Suppose the surface is like this, or
Trial version.
when a solid is deep into, or the surface is like this.
Trial version.
Now, generally at the contact, there are two types
Trial
of force.
version.
What are the two types of force?
Adhesive and cohesive force.
Very
Trial
good.
version.
Force of adhesion or adhesive or force of cohesion. Force of cohesion means you actually force
Trial
between two
version.
similar molecules. And force of adhesion means force between two dissimilar
Trial
molecules.
version.
So over here, the force of adhesion is more than the
Trial
force
version.
of cohesion. That's why it is liquid is being pulled up. Okay, between glass water molecules,
Trial
the
version.
force is more than the water molecules force. So that is called force
Trial
of
version.
adhesion and force of cohesion. So angle of contact means the angle
Trial version.
drawn. So what is the direction, sir? Force due to
Trial
surface
version.
tension along the tangential plane. With
Trial
the
version.
solid which is deep inside the liquid means this.
Trial version.
This is angle of contact. Over here, what is the force
Trial
of
version.
surface tension T? So with the solid deep inside the
Trial
liquid,
version.
this. Now, from here is very important. If
version.
my angle of contact is acute, then the liquid will wet
Trial
the
version.
solid. Remember it. And if my angle of contact is
Trial version.
obtuse, then liquid will not wet the solid.
Trial version.
So that means যদি
Trial
আমরা
version.
মার্কিউরিতে হ্যান্ড ডোবাই, আমি going to
Yes,
experimentally
yes. No, because angle of contact is
Trial version.
obtuse. And water
Trial
angle of
version.
contact is acute.
Trial version. Trial version.
Okay. Next,
Trial version.
we are going
Sir,
to see.
বেরিলিয়াম খুব একটা হাই মেল্টিং পয়েন্ট না, লাইক অ্যারাউন্ড 20 to
Trial
30
version.
ডিগ্রিজ এই মেল্টিং পয়েন্ট, কিন্তু সেটাতেও
হুম,
একই মার্কিউরির মতন হয়, লাইক
ওই
Trial
angle of
version.
contact এর জন্য। They are all because of the angle of
Trial version.
contact.
Trial version.
And alcohol angle of contact is actually 90 degrees. So it becomes straight.
Trial version.
স্যার তখন ওয়েট হয় তো
Trial version.
It will wait. Next,
Trial
one
version.
more thing, very important. Most of you have experienced, especially in chemistry practicals
Trial
and all. When you do the chemistry practical, you take the test tube and put it in the
Trial version.
acid. Okay, and then when you press it up, you see the liquid rises up
Trial version.
automatically. Yes or no? Very narrow test tube you take. Am I right?
Trial version.
If you take a very narrow test tube and put it inside
Trial
a liquid, what happens? The liquid rises up.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার,
Yes or no?
Trial version.
Even the water moves up from the ground through the, the roots.
Trial
The
version.
plant. Yes, this phenomena is called capillarity.
Trial
But
version.
capillarity is nothing but a phenomena due to surface tension, sir.
Trial
So
version.
let's see what is the cause and
আমরা ক্লাস 10 বায়োতে পড়েছিলাম।
This is
Trial
called
version.
capillarity, and this is a phenomena due to surface tension, sir. This is a phenomena due to because
Trial
force
version.
is acting along the tangential plane at the point of contact.
Trial version.
So let's see how much liquid will rise up through the
Trial version.
capillary tube, or what will be the height. Okay, what is the cause that
version.
why liquid is rising up? That also we will see it over here.
Trial version.
You have a tube. I am drawing it in a big way so that it will be
Trial
easier
version.
for you to understand.
Trial
The
version.
water, suppose it has raised up like this.
Trial
I am drawing in
version.
a big way. So the liquid through the capillary
version.
tube has raised up to a height h.
Trial version.
Now, at the point
Trial
of
version.
contact, what will act, sir? The surface tension will act. Am I
Trial
right?
version.
Along the tangential plane. So over here, which direction, sir? Along the tangent at the
Trial
point
version.
of contact. Now, this
Trial
is a
version.
3D figure, sir. You have to visualize it. Just visualize. It's like
Trial
a
version.
bowl like this. The shape, the spherical at the point of contact, the shape is,
version.
the water shape is like this. So each and every point, the surface tension is
Trial
act along
version.
the tangential. So if my radius
version.
is r, so what is the total force acting?
Trial version.
Can you tell me?
Trial version.
What is my angle of contact, sir? This theta.
Trial version.
Okay. That means this is my theta.
Trial version.
Is it
Trial
okay?
version.
ইয়েস স্যার
if you observe it, this is my ball.
Trial
Each
version.
point having a diametrically opposite, there is a point. Am I right?
Trial version.
Just check it out. Check it out. This is my sphere.
Trial
Okay, there is
version.
shape like this. Got it? So each point having
Trial version.
a diametrically opposite point. Is it okay? Each point
Trial
having a
version.
diametrically opposite point, like a bowl, isn't it? The shape will be what? Shape will be
Trial
like
version.
a bowl, like a hemisphere. On the top, there will be a hemispherical shape,
Trial
like this,
version.
hemispherical shape. So each point having a diametrically opposite point. So
Trial version.
surface is tangentially, it is acting. So this side also diametrically opposite tangentially, it is
Trial
acting.
version.
So each point T is acting. So now
Trial
if
version.
each point having a diametrically opposite point, that means I can resolve T
Trial
like
version.
this. T cos theta, and this
Trial
side will
version.
be a what then? T sin theta. This
Trial
will be a
version.
what? T cos theta,
Trial version.
and this will be a what? T sin theta. Am I
Trial
right?
version.
I have drawn two diametrically opposite points.
Trial version.
So from the
Trial
diagram,
version.
what you can see?
Trial version.
What
Sir,
can you
only
see?
vertical force, no.
Trial version.
Yes,
net
sir.
horizontal
T
depth
sin
of-
theta, they are cancelling. Horizontally, there is no net
Trial
force, sir.
version.
So T sin theta is pulling the liquid, that means up, sir.
Trial version.
Am I right, sir? Am I right? Understood why the liquid is moving up?
Trial version.
Because of this. The surface tension T
Trial
cos
version.
theta component is there. It is acting upward direction.
Trial version.
So T
Trial
cos theta
version.
part
Similarly, in
is
case of mercury and heavy liquid, সেগুলোতে নিচের দিকে ডাইরেকশনটা হয়, তাই জন্য
আমি
বাল্বটা
আসছি।
হচ্ছে।
yes. So that means T cos theta part
Trial version.
is there. So what is the net force? Upward force. So net force is what?
Trial version.
So that means in place of T, it is T
Trial version.
cos theta. So F equals to what? T cos theta into L. So what is the length? So what is the
Trial
length?
version.
Surface tension at the point of contact.
2 pi r.
Now what is
Trial
the
2 pi r.
very good? 2 pi r. Perfect, sir. That's why, because it's a hemispherical ball. Na? So each
Trial
point
version.
T cos theta. So what is the total length, sir? 2 pi r, the circumference.
Trial version.
That is the point of contacts. Yes or no?
Trial version.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? So net force is T cos
Trial
theta
version.
into 2 pi r. Now
Trial
this
version.
force will be balanced. How long it will raised up? Unless and until
Trial
this
version.
upward force is balanced by the weight.
Trial
Am I
version.
right, sir?
Trial
So that
version.
means T cos theta into 2 pi r,
Trial
that is
version.
equals to weight, means mg. M equals to
Trial
what?
version.
Volume. Volume is a cylinder.
Trial version.
Pi r square h. But there is a problem.
version.
Volume of the cylinder means actually we are taking it up to this volume.
Trial version.
But this portion volume is also there. How will you find out this portion volume?
Trial version.
If I want,
Trial
Sir,
version.
pi r square h plus r minus 2 by 3 pi r
Trial
pi
version.
small r cube.
yes, you can take this one
Trial
is
version.
another cylinder minus this hemisphere. So
Trial version.
plus cylinder pi r square h. H is also r.
Trial version.
Minus hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. This is the net volume, you got it.
Trial version.
Volume into density. into G.
Trial version.
So that means T cos theta
Trial version.
into 2 pi r equals to pi
Trial
r
version.
square h plus 1 by 3 pi r
Trial
cube
version.
into rho into G.
Trial version.
So pi will get cancelled, r square in.
Trial version.
So 2t cos theta
Trial version.
equals to
Trial version.
r into
Trial version.
h plus r by 3 rho G.
Trial version.
Isn't it?
Trial version.
Sir, you're doing
Trial
surface
version.
tension.
Yes, yes. Why you are so late today?
Sir, I wrote in the
Trial
group. I
version.
had my exam today. Actually, 10
Okay,
days.
okay. Okay.
Trial version.
So is it okay? So 2t cos theta equals to r into h plus r by 3 rho
Trial
G.
version.
Now you, for the sake of calculation in exam, you can cancel, avoid this
Trial version.
part, r by 3 part, because r is very small. Now from here we can write hence
Trial version.
h into r basically is a constant.
Trial version.
If I avoid that, because for a given liquid t constant,
Trial
theta
version.
constant, for a given liquid solid surface, then rho constant, G constant. So that
Trial
means
version.
h into r is constant. That means h proportional to 1 by
Trial
r.
version.
That's why you see the thick tube, water does
Trial
not rise
version.
up much. It's a narrow tube, only the water rises up.
Trial version. Trial version.
Am I right?
Trial version.
So thick
Trial
tube, that is
version.
why, because h proportional to 1 by r.
Trial version.
And this is called Jurin's law, Jurin, Jurin's
version.
law. Now from here, very
Trial
important
version.
conclusion you can, yes,
স্যার আমরা যে ওই ভলিউমটা মাইনাস হচ্ছে পাই আর
Trial
স্কয়ার
version.
আরোটা
pi r square into h, h টাও তো r, এই যে দেখো এখানে, এই যে
Trial
এটা তো
version.
h,
হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা স্যার
h
ওটা
টাও তো r,
আচ্ছা স্যার
Trial version.
ঠিক আছে?
ইয়েস স্যার ইয়েস স্যার
Trial version.
Understood?
ইয়েস স্যার
So
Trial
this is h into r is constant. This is called Jurin's law. Now from here, very important conclusion
version.
you can draw. That means if you have a tube of insufficient length,
version.
then what will happen?
Trial version.
You have a tube of insufficient length. The height is not sufficient
Trial
to
version.
raise the liquid up. Then with the liquid overflow.
No,
Trial
it
version.
will reach up to the maximum height and stay there.
But then how will it stay?
Trial version.
Surface tension. Here,
No,
হিসেবে
that
থাকবে like
means yes, liquid.
Trial version.
hemisphere
Now you see h into r is
bulge out করে থাকবে
tell.
Trial
so the
version.
liquid কেমনটা bulge out করে থাকবে সারফেসে
Now I'm telling you, that it
Trial
will
version.
stay, but it will become more flattened because h into r is constant now. So when h becomes
Trial
small,
version.
so r will increase. That means the radius of curvature, the sphere, it will become flattened.
Trial
Means it will
version.
shape. It seems that it will form like a big circle. Understood?
Trial version.
মানে চ্যাপটাও তো থাকবে আরো
Trial version.
হ্যাঁ, চাপটা হতে থাকবে, মানে রেডিয়াসটা বাড়িয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য।
হুম
Trial
Got
version.
it? So this question many times comes. So understood why we take the, I mean, your
Trial
narrative.
version.
That is why actually you see the farmers, they plow their lands. Why farmers
Trial
plow their
version.
lands? Now can you explain me, sir? Why do
Trial
farmers plow their lands?
Trial version.
So that the roots don't bulge out due to surface tension.
Trial version.
Now, as the farmers they plow their
Trial
land,
version.
মাটির মধ্যে না ঢুকে যায় স্যার, যাতে ওয়াটারটা একটু মাটিতে থাকে, যাতে
Trial
নর্মাল
version.
রেগুলার ওয়াটার পার্টস গুলো ব্রোকেন মানে ভেঙে যায় আর নর্মাল
তার
মলিকুলার
Trial version.
সেগুলো
কিন্তু
distorted
কিভাবে
হয়ে গেলে
থাকবে?
র্যান্ডম গেস
কিন্তু কিভাবে থাকবে? Because
Trial
when
version.
they plow their lands, basically what happens in the land, they make narrow holes, the
Trial
capillaries
version.
they produce, sir. The soil becomes soft, na? Are you understanding?
Trial version.
So there are large number of air holes, air pockets created in the soil.
Trial version.
So as there are large number of air pockets created on the soil, so as a
Trial
result,
version.
these air pockets behave like a capillary. Okay,
Trial version.
understood?
তাতে লাভ কি হয়?
So if it
version.
behaves like a capillary, then whatever the water is being poured on that land, then what will, due to the
Trial version.
capillary action from the bottom surface, the water will rise up to the top.
Trial version.
হুম
So that means water will remain on the top soil.
Trial version.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
Are you getting it?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Why do you use towel, sir? First
Trial
tell me
version.
to.
গা শুকানোর জন্য একটু ড্রাই
Now I
Because you
understood,
see
sir.
this.
ফ্যাব্রিক আছে স্যার, সেটাতে
Understood.
ফ্যাব্রিকের যে টাইনি পোর্স গুলো আছে, পোর্স গুলো ক্যাপিলারিটির জন্য
Yes, the pores that behaves like, that's why you use the napkins.
Trial version.
You see, when your mom makes your luchi and all, the oil is there on the,
Trial version.
and so what she does, she put a napkin. Am I right, sir?
হুম
You
Yes, sir.
see, it
Trial
becomes
version.
dried, nice to it. Because you see, the
Yes, sir.
napkins, the narrow holes are, the pores are there.
Trial
That
version.
behaves like a capillary.
তখন
And automatically the liquid, due to the capillary action, the
Trial
liquid, the oil that moves in. Okay, that's why the cleaning, yeah, that's why the
Trial
cleaning is
version.
better, actually, always using that.
স্যার এই কারণে
Trial
স্পঞ্জ ইউজ করা হয় ফর ক্লিনিং।
Yes, this is the reason we use the sponge.
Trial version.
Understood? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So everything has a
আমি
reason behind
ভাবলাম
it.
ওটা রাফ সারফেসের জন্য ক্লিন এরকম ভাবে
No, no.
করা হয়।
Now, next, the
Trial
last
version.
one from this, I'll tell you that
Trial
when a
version.
liquid bubble is there, like soap bubble, it grows. So there is a pressure
Trial
difference.
version.
Okay, there is a excess pressure difference between the two surfaces. So what is the excess
Trial
pressure
version.
inside a liquid bubble? So that I want to find out. This is a very
Trial
important.
version.
You have a liquid bubble. It grows in
Trial
size
version.
and finally it becomes in equilibrium condition.
Trial version.
So suppose radius is r. So r2
Trial
radius
version.
becomes r plus dr or delta or whatever
Trial
you
version.
write. It has grows due to the excess pressure. Okay,
Trial version.
due to the excess pressure inside. So what is the
Trial
excess
version.
pressure? I want to calculate it.
Trial version.
So
স্যার
with the
নতুন
increase to
version.
dr.
নিউ এরিয়া,
Huh?
স্যার ফোর্স বাই
Trial
নিউ
version.
এরিয়া, এরিয়াটা
That we
হবে
want to see. We want to see what is the
Trial version.
excess pressure inside, because due to the excess pressure the liquid grows up in size and finally it
Trial
comes to an
version.
equilibrium condition. So what is the excess pressure inside the liquid soap bubble? Means it might
Trial
be soap
version.
bubble, might be water bubble. Let's see with water bubble first, soap bubble, then 2 times it will
Trial
become.
version.
So due to the excess pressure the liquid is growing up its size. Initially it was radius was r,
Trial
now it
version.
becomes r plus dr. So what is the work done, sir?
Trial version.
In growing up the size, work done equals to what?
Trial version.
T into area.
Very good. T into dA, sir.
Trial
T
version.
into dA, not area. T into dA, change in area, sir.
Trial version.
Am I right, sir?
Trial version.
Am I right, sir?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Yes, sir.
So
Trial version.
P into dA. All right. So that is equals to
Trial
P
version.
into dA. How will I find out dA? 4 pi
Trial
r
version.
plus dr whole square minus
Trial
4
version.
pi r square.
Trial version.
Is it okay?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Trial version.
So
Sir.
that give
স্যার এখানে রেডিয়াসের তো আস্তে আস্তে চেঞ্জ
Trial
করবে না?
version.
হ্যাঁ সেটাই তো আমি বলছি, রেডিয়াস r ছিল, r থেকে r plus dr স্মল এলিমেন্ট, দ্যাটস হোয়াই আই হ্যাভ
Trial
টেকেন ইট।
version.
তো তাহলে আমরা ডাইরেক্টলি মাইনাস কি করে করছি?
এটা
Trial
final
version.
area minus initial area, that is the change in area.
Trial
sir.
version.
Final radius r plus
Trial
dr.
version.
আচ্ছা
So what is 4 pi spherical shape though? It is
Trial
always.
version.
That means 4 pi into t into it will be your
Trial
r
version.
square plus. That
Trial
means
version.
it will be your 2 r
Trial
dr in plus dr square.
Trial version.
Am I right?
স্যার ডিআর স্কোয়ারটাকে ইগনোর করা যায় বিকজ ইট ইজ
Yes. Now we will use dr square ignoring, because dr
Trial
is
version.
very small, so dr square will be much smaller, so we can ignore it.
Trial version. Trial version.
Okay.
Trial version.
Is it okay? So that means
Trial
what are you
version.
getting it, sir? 8 pi
Trial
E-
version.
r dr, sir. Am I right?
Trial version. Trial version. Trial
Is
version.
it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, as excess
Trial
pressure
version.
is acting inside, so due to the excess pressure, what is the force experienced?
Trial version.
So force due to excess pressure is how much?
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
Can you tell me? Force due to excess pressure inside how much?
Trial version. Trial version.
P inside minus P outside into the surface area of
Trial
the
version.
No, due to the excess pressure. That means P, okay, into
Trial
4
version.
pi r square.
Trial version.
হ্যাঁ তো P
Yes or
মানে
no?
তো এক্সেস প্রেসার তো
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ তো সেটাই P
Trial
ইনসাইড
version.
মাইনাস P আউটসাইড সেটাই বলছিলাম
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ সেটাই ঠিকই বল।
বাইরে যত
হুম
Trial
ভেতরে
version.
বেশি থাকে জেনারেলি
হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই, তারা না তো গ্রো করবে কি করে?
হ্যাঁ
Trial
Okay.
version.
So that means what is the work done due to excess pressure now?
Trial version.
This is the force experience. What
Trial
is the
version.
displacement produced? dr?
Trial version.
Yes or no? That means P into 4 pi r squared
Trial
into
version.
dr. This is the work done.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
Any problem, sir?
Trial version.
নো স্যার
Equate it.
Trial version.
Now you can equate it.
স্যার
Trial version.
ক্রেডিট মানে ক্যালকুলেশন করতে হবে
Ah,
স্যার
you can equate.
ক্রেডিট
Ah? কি বলছো?
স্যার
Trial version.
স্যার আপনি বললেন ইকুয়েটিট আমাদের কি এখন ইন্টিগ্রেশন করতে হবে?
না না কিছু করতে হবে না, দুটোকে
Trial
ইকুয়াল করে
version.
দাও না, ওয়ার্ক ডান।
Trial
So if you
version.
equate it, then what will you get?
2t by
P
r.
equals to 2t by r. This is my
Trial
expression,
version.
sir. Remember it. Now, if it's a soap bubble, then it will be a 4t by r.
Trial version.
Very important expression.
Trial version.
I wanted to complete your chapter completed thoroughly.
Trial version.
And only one more chapter I will teach, that is the fluid
Trial
dynamics.
version.
One class only, I'll complete it. And then I'll move on to class 12's part.
Trial version.
স্যার জিওমেট্রিক্যাল অপটিক্স স্যার ওগুলো আছে?
Trial
ওই তো
version.
12 প্লাস, না ওগুলো তো 12 ওগুলো 12 আমি এবার শুরু করব।
Trial version.
I'll move on to your class 12's part.
ওকে স্যার।
Now let's see how we can do the
Trial version.
numericals.
স্যার আর ওই
Just randomly
weight কি পরে করব?
ওয়েস পরে আমি বলে দেবো,
Trial
কোনো
version.
চিন্তা নেই, ওগুলো নিয়ে এত টেনশন নেবে না, ওগুলো সব ইজি পার্ট আছে। নাও
Trial
করো,
version.
লেখো এই ডায়াগ্রামটা, লেখো, করো এই ডায়াগ্রামটা করো।
Trial version.
দেখতে পাচ্ছ? ক্যান ইউ সি ইট?
Trial version.
স্যার ক্যান ইউ প্লিজ টেক দ্য ক্যামেরা লিটল ডাউনওয়ার্ড?
ক্যান ইউ?
Trial version.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Problem number 3.
Trial version. Trial
Do it.
version.
Quickly, sir. 1 minute time
Trial
on
version.
your hand.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
Do it.
Trial version.
স্যার একবার ডায়াগ্রামটা বলে দেবে স্যার?
Trial
উনি
version.
কেউ-
See, this is a B, chord 1, down straight.
Trial
Over
version.
here, the horizontal one, 30 Newton tension. And chord 2, nothing is given, angle is
version.
45 degree.
ওকে স্যার, ওকে স্যার।
Yes, sir. Got the answer.
The weight of the body
Trial
B
version.
is. Which option
Sir,
you got?
actually আমি আর ওয়ার্কিং ছাড়াই করে দিয়েছি স্যার,
version.
আনসার পেয়ে গেছি।
ঠিক আছে। What is the option?
স্যার ডায়াগ্রামটা ঠিক দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
ডায়াগ্রামটা আছে, এতে দেখো ভালো করে। This is a horizontal string, 30 Newton tension.
Trial version.
Inclined
Yes.
chord 2
Sir,
string
screen-
that makes an angle 45 degree with the vertical.
Trial version.
হুম।
Okay. And with chord 1, the mass is suspended.
Trial
স্যার হয়ে
version.
গেছে স্যার।
স্যার হয়ে গেছে।
Trial
হ্যাঁ
version.
স্যার কি করতে হবে
Which option you
প্রবলেমটাতে?
got? Find the weight of the body B.
Trial
The
version.
mass, this suspended.
And it has been
you
put
find out.
inside any liquid?
Trial
No,
version.
nothing.
এটা সারফেস টেনশনের অঙ্ক?
না
তাহলে এটা কেন
রিভাইজ
দিচ্ছে? এমনি?
করলাম, এমনি দিলাম, এটা তো
ও, আচ্ছা।
জয়েন্টে এসছে, এগুলো জাস্ট প্র্যাকটিস সেট।
Trial version.
ও আমি
These are
ভাবছি-
all practice set, you see now. These are all practice set.
Trial version.
আবার কি, যে কোনো প্রবলেম যে কোনো সময় করার মতো ক্ষমতা করবে।
Trial version.
আনসারটা বলে দিই স্যার?
Answer which option you got?
স্যার বি।
Trial version.
তো বি।
B.
স্যার 30 নিউটন।
30 Newton.
30 Newton,
Trial
okay.
version.
Anyone else? Anyone else?
Trial
তো বি
version.
এসে।
B এসছে, আর কেউ?
Trial version.
হ্যাঁ স্যার বি এসছে 30 Newton.
স্যার বি ইজ অনলি।
Okay.
Trial version.
স্যার
Your answer is,
NLM এর
হ্যাঁ,
সাম
বলো।
কেন করাচ্ছেন স্যার?
Trial
কি বলছো?
version.
স্যার আপনি নিউটনস ল এর সাম কেন করাচ্ছেন?
আমি সব রিভিশন পাচ্ছি,
Trial
যা
version.
পাচ্ছি তাই করাচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে, বুঝতে পেরেছো? So your
Trial
answer is
version.
30 Newton, sir. So you can resolve it this, yes or no?
Trial
If this
version.
tension is T, that means this one T cos 45, this is T sin 45.
Trial version.
So T cos 45 equals to mg basically,
Trial version.
okay? and t
Trial
sine
version.
45 equals to 30. So t sine, now sine 45 and cos 45 are same.
Trial
So that
version.
means basically t sine t cos 45 equals to means 30 Newton only.
Trial version.
Next one, write down. Let's see.
Trial version.
So rotation থেকে দিন না।
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ, দেখছি যদি
Trial
রোটেশন
version.
থাকে আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
হুম।
Okay, write down.
Trial version.
Write down rotation. Let's see. Let me
Trial
see.
version.
This is tension, maximum tension. দেখছি
Trial
দাঁড়া
version.
রোটেশন যদি থাকে।
Trial version.
একটা ইয়ে করো, সেন্টার অফ মাস, মানে ওই চ্যাপ্টারের
Trial
আর কি
version.
করি না
আমি পড়ে দিচ্ছি, তাহলে তোমরা বলতে পারবে না। প্রবলেম নাম্বার 8 লেখো, the
Trial
center of
version.
mass of a system, the center of mass of a
Trial
system
version.
of three particles
Trial version.
of masses
Trial version.
1 gram, 2 gram and 3 gram,
Trial version.
the center
Trial
of
version.
mass of a system of three particles of masses 1 gram, 2 gram and
Trial
3
version.
gram is taken as the origin
Trial version.
origin of a coordinate system.
Trial version.
Full stop. The position
version.
vector, the position vector
Trial version.
of a fourth particle
Trial version.
of mass 4 gram
Trial version. Trial
such
version.
that
Trial version.
the center of mass
Trial
of
version.
the four particle system
Trial version.
lies
Trial
at the
version.
point
Trial version.
1, 2, 3 lies
Trial
at the
version.
point 1, 2, 3 is
Trial version.
alpha into within bracket I
Trial
cap
version.
plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Alpha,
Trial
then
version.
within bracket I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. What is the value of
Trial
alpha?
version.
What is the value of alpha? Wait.
স্যার
Trial
কোয়েশ্চেনটা
version.
দেখাবেন?
Okay.
Trial version.
Problem number 8.
Trial
So
version.
alpha ik plus 2jk plus
2j cap plus 3k cap.
Sir, it's a fourth
Okay,
particle.
alpha within
Trial
bracket.
version.
Where alpha is constant, what is the value of alpha?
No, sir,
Trial
এটা
version.
ভেক্টরটা fourth particle এর position vector.
Ha.
Trial
Okay.
version.
Okay. The center of mass,
Trial version.
the entire system becomes. When you
Trial
connected the
version.
fourth particle.
সাজেশন কোনটা কোথায় থাকবে, লাইক
Trial version.
সেটা তুমি যেখানে খুশি নাও না, তাতে অসুবিধা কি আছে তোমার?
Trial version.
যেখানে খুশি নাও, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই তোমার।
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
স্যার হয়ে গেছে বলবো?
না, বলবে না।
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
বলবে না
Trial version. Trial version.
So
what the
option গুলো
answer?
দেখাও।
Trial version.
অপশন গুলো আছে 10/3, 5/2, হাফ, 2/5।
Trial version.
আচ্ছা ঠিক
স্যার
আছে।
বলবো
দাঁড়াও, 10/3, 5/2, হাফ and
version.
2/5।
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
হ্যাঁ
Trial
আনসার
version.
পেয়ে গেছি স্যার।
হয়ে গেছো?
হ্যাঁ বলি
বলো, বলে ফেলো।
অপশন বি 5/2।
5/2
5/2, 5/2।
Trial version. Trial version.
স্যার ঠিক আছে কি?
পারফেক্ট
Trial
আছে,
version.
আবার কি ঠিক আছে কি? অপশন ইজ 5/2।
Trial
So
version.
what happens? You can take the coordinates x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3,
Trial
z3,
version.
and x4, y4, z4. Yes or no?
Trial version.
Any problem? So first three particles, 1 gram,
Trial
2 gram,
version.
and 3 gram. And XCM is what? 0,0,0, isn't it?
Trial
So you'll
version.
get an equation 0 equals to, so you will
Trial
get
version.
an equation 0
Trial
equals to
version.
what? 1 into x1 plus 2 into x2 plus 3 into
Trial
x3
version.
by 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6.
Trial
That means
version.
here, what are you getting it? First equation x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equals to
Trial
0.
version.
This is your first equation. Is it, am I right, sir?
Trial version.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second one is your,
Trial version.
you can write it down at fourth particle is x4. That means what you can write?
Trial
1,
version.
2, 3. That means 1 equals to x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 plus
Trial
4x4
version.
by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That means 10. So 1
Trial
equals
version.
to, that means x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 plus 4x4 equals to
Trial
10.
version.
Is it okay?
Trial version.
Sir, এটা
Is it
আরেকবার
okay?
বলবেন?
Second equation, what is the center of mass coordinate? 1,
Trial
2,
version.
3. So that means if you use the x coordinate, that means 1 equals to, and fourth particle
Trial
position I
version.
don't know. I'm taking it x4, y4, z4. Is it okay?
Trial version.
So fourth particle দেওয়া আছে alpha.
না, আমি তো এখন আলফাটা তো বের করতে হবে।
Trial version.
আচ্ছা স্যার।
So that means the coordinate is what? 1,
Trial
2,
version.
3. So 1 equals to, that means x1 into x1 plus 2 into
Trial
x2
version.
plus 3 into x3 plus 4 into x4. Am I right, group?
Trial
By the
version.
total mass,
Yes, sir.
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Yes, sir.
Trial version.
So what are you getting it by next equation? x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 plus 4x4 equals to how much? 10.
10. So মানে 4x
Now
equals
first-
Trial version.
That means if you 4x4, if you subtract it, that means 4x4 equals to 10.
Trial version.
So x4 equals to your how much?
so 5
10 by 4, 5 by
Trial
2.
version.
That means what you are getting it? Alpha x4.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Trial
Huh?
version.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Reverse way also you could have done it, taking that.
Trial version.
Is it
Trial
clear?
version.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Trial version.
So next day we will do your fluid dynamics. I'll complete it quickly so that nothing is
Trial
left out
version.
over here, and then we'll move on to class 12s, and then again we will do some numericals from here and
Trial
there from
version.
entire syllabus. Anytime any numerical, so that you can have a habit of revising
Trial
entire
version.
syllabus.
Sir, reverse way টা কি করে স্যার?
রিভার্স
Trial
হয়ে তাহলে
version.
আলফা গুলোকে বসাতে হবে তোমার।
তো মানে
Trial
আলফা একে
version.
প্লাস টু আলফা জেকে প্লাস টু
হ্যাঁ
আলফা।
হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু ওটা অনেক ডিফিকাল্ট
Trial
হয়ে যাবে
version.
তখন।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
Trial
ওকে,
version.
ইয়েস স্যার।
so bye bye, take
Trial
care,
version.
stay safe, stay home, you are doing a good job. Class 11, so we have
Trial
completed
version.
even in a much earlier actually in the scheduled time. So
Trial version.
next day we'll move on like that. Keep on practicing whatever, especially these magazines. It is there in for
Trial
all
version.
subjects: physics, chemistry, maths. Practice it because there are random numericals are
Trial
given
version.
from all different chapters, competitive exam, previous years papers.
Trial
তাহলে
version.
স্যার কেইপিআই এর আগে টাইম থাকলে আপনি একটু রোটেশন আর থার্মোডাইনামিক্স মানে সবচেয়ে টাফেস্ট
Trial
চ্যাপ্টার
সবই করে দেবো। ঠিক আছে, যতগুলো যা পারবো রিভাইজ পরপর করতে
Trial
থাকবো, মানে
version.
যেটাই পাবো আর কি, এনিথিং অ্যান্ড এভরিথিং।
স্যার 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 এগুলো আপনি কোথায় অঙ্কন দিচ্ছিলেন এই যে
এটা হচ্ছে তোমার ওই ইয়ে থাকে না, ওই
Trial
version.
ফিজিক্স স্পট, হ্যাঁ ম্যাগাজিন থাকে, ওইখান থেকে দিচ্ছি না।
স্যার বলছি
These
আপনি
are
আগে
all good.
দিতেন
Trial version.
স্যার আপনি আগে দিতেন ওই যে এমসিকিউ সলভ করে সেরকম দিতে পারবেন আপনাদের হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে?
হ্যাঁ দিয়ে দেবো এইখান থেকেই আমি একটা ইয়ে দিয়ে দেবো আজই, ঠিক
Trial
আছে?
version.
ওকে
তো পরীক্ষার নম্বরটা কি হলো?
পরীক্ষার নম্বর আমি পাঠিয়ে দেবো,
Trial version.
কাল পরশুর মধ্যে চলে যাবে।
ঠিক আছে।
ওকে,
Trial version.
keep on revising whatever you are getting it to increase your
version.
speed. Okay,
থ্যাংক ইউ
okay,
স্যার।
bye
Thank you, sir.
Trial version.
থ্যাংক ইউ
bye
স্যার।
বাই স্যার।
bye.
Hi, sir.
Trial version. 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 Trial version.